Welcome to the channel where we unlock the secrets to making money. Want to earn money from fun and catchy kids' videos without spending too much time or effort? Let AI do the heavy lifting. The children's song video you are watching was created by me in less than 30 minutes. This topic is getting a lot of views, so follow me through this guide. I'll show you how to turn simple ideas into a money-making kids' music video in just a few steps.
Red, orange, yellow, shining bright. Green, blue, indigo in the light. Violet here, what a beautiful sight. The colors of the rainbow, oh what a delight. Let's sing it together, let's shout hooray. Colors of the rainbow bright in our day. From the sky to the flowers, they're all around. Let's find every color, let's look and sound.
Step 1. Generate ideas and write lyrics. Every great song starts with a creative idea. If you don't have one yet, let ChatGPT assist you. Type, "Give me 10 ideas for kids' songs." ChatGPT will provide a list of ideas such as Animal Adventure, Counting with the Stars, The Wiggly Worm Dance, and Cleanup Crew. Pick the one you love the most. In this case, we'll choose The Colors of the Rainbow. Once you've decided on your idea, the next step is writing the lyrics. Use ChatGPT again by typing, "Create lyrics for the song titled The Colors of the Rainbow from the above list." ChatGPT will quickly generate a full set of lyrics for your song, making the process simple and fun. Copy the lyrics for the next step. Step 2. Create the song. To match the pop style, you'll need an AI tool like Suno AI to generate the music. Log into Suno AI using your Google account. On the main interface, click Create and enable the custom settings. Paste the pop-stung lyrics into the input box. We will ask ChatGPT to give me styles of this song. There are many styles of children's music that you can choose. This video, I will choose pop style. Set the style to pop style with a cheerful, bouncy tune and title it The Colors of the Rainbow. Click Generate and wait for Suno AI to produce the song. Listen to the versions provided.
Red, orange, yellow, shining bright. Green, blue, indigo in the light. Red, orange, yellow, shining bright. Green, blue, indigo.
It sounds very smooth, catchy, and exciting, right? Listening to AI-generated music makes us extremely surprised and excited. Pick your favorite and download it. The result will be a vibrant, catchy track perfect for your video. Step 3. Create visuals using Vidu AI. Now it's time to create visuals to match the energetic kids theme. Use ChatGPT to create dynamic prompts for each scene. For example, type, "Generate simple prompts to create videos for each scene described in the lyrics above." Example prompts might include, "A vibrant rainbow arcs across a blue sky after a rain shower. Zoom in on each color as it shines in the sunlight. Children point and smile, marveling at the rainbow. A group of kids dances joyfully in a sunny park, surrounded by colorful balloons. The camera pans to their bright outfits, matching each rainbow color as they shout, 'Hooray!' But because Vidu or other AI video creation software, when used for free, currently only allows creating 4 to 5 second clips at a time. So for each scene, we will ask ChatGPT to create 3 prompts. You can see very quickly that ChatGPT has given us very complete prompts with a logical arrangement of each segment for use in the following part. Don't forget to copy it. Next, we will create videos with Vidu AI. Go to the Vidu AI website. I have put the link in the description. This AI software is one of the best AI today to create animations, fast video export speed, and gives you 80 credits per month. You can also use multiple emails to create multiple products for free. Click on Text to Video. Paste the scene prompt into the video creation tool. Use styles like Studio Ghibli style at the beginning of the line to ensure consistency throughout your video. In the settings section, I will choose the animation style to match Ghibli and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Generate the prompt by clicking Create, slightly tweaking them for variety. Even if you don't modify the prompts, Vidu AI often creates unique results for each generation. By the end of this step, you'll have multiple colorful short video clips representing each scene in your song. Next step, you need to regenerate the video to achieve HD quality. Click on the word HD below the video, wait a few minutes. Your video will be extremely sharp enough to create an animated music video. Then, if you are satisfied, you can press the download button on the video. As another example, I'll do a prompt, wide shot. A full rainbow stretches across the sky with fluffy clouds framing it. Birds fly peacefully as sunlight streams through. After generating, export the video in HD quality. You will have a colorful Ghibli-style clip with rainbow colors. Step 4. Sync audio and visuals in CapCut. CapCut is a free and user-friendly video editor perfect for syncing your visuals with the song. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your audio file, the song created in Vidu AI, and all the video clips from Vidu AI. Drag the audio file onto the timeline. Place each video clip in order, aligning them with the corresponding lyrics in the song. Use CapCut Split tool to trim clips to match the song's timing precisely. Add smooth transitions like fade, slide, or zoom to keep the energy high. Use pop stungle effects such as bright overlays, sparkles, or light flares to make the visuals more dynamic. Preview the video and ensure the visuals are perfectly synchronized with the beat of the song. Use CapCut speed and timing tools to refine clip durations if needed. This is the result.
Green is the grass where we can play. Blue is the ocean on a sunny day. Indigo at dusk and violet's hue. All the colors are waiting for you. Let's sing it together, let's shout hooray. Colors of the rainbow bright in our day. From the sky to the flowers, they're all around. Let's find every color, let's look and sound.
And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.